everyone and welcome to Fun with Code. In this video, we are going to convert an image into a sketch using Python. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. So without any further delay, let's have fun with code. We are going to use a module called OpenCV. So let's quickly install the module. Pip install OpenCV. I have already installed the module, so it says requirement already satisfied. So let's close the command prompt and let's import the module. Import CV2. Now we are going to get the image. So we are going to create a variable called image and we are going to pass the path of the image. So let's say image is equal to, now here we are going to say I am cv2 dot im dot, we are going to read the file. So read and then the file name. So let's give a file name here. I have a file called input dot jpg. So after this we are going to convert this image into gray image. So let's create another variable called image2, which is equal to cv2 dot cvt convert, or you can call it whatever you want, and here we are going to pass in the first image, the image which we just now created, and then we are going to say cv2 dot bgr to gray. So this is called code. We are converting bgr to gray, and now we are going to invert this. So let's say image to inverted, which is equal to cv2 dot bitwise not image2. And now we are going to convert this image into a blurry image, so which will sharpen the edges of the sketch. So let's do that. Let's say image3, which is equal to cv2 dot Gaussian blur. You might have heard this if you are familiar with editing. So let's passing image to inverted here, and then we are going to pass the size, which will be something like 21 and 0. Now let's save this, and after this we are even going to invert this. Let's say image3 inverted is equal to cv2 dot bitwise not, and then we are going to pass in image3. Now at last we'll say I am cv2 dot im, right? We are going to save the file here. Now here we are going to say ou output dot png or jpg, and here we are going to pass in. Before doing this, we need to use, we'll create another variable called final image, which will be equal to cv2 dot divide, which is which means it is going to divide image 2 and image 3. So let's pass in that image 2 and image 2 inverted here, image 2 inverted, and image 3 inverted. So let's, after completing this step, we are going to say final image. Let's save the program. And this is not image to inverted, it's just image 2. So let's do that and save the program, and let's run the program. And we got an error which is source is empty. So we need to give the full path of it. So let's give the full path and make sure that it's backslash, not, make sure that you use this slash, not the other one, otherwise it's not going to work. So we have given the full path. Now let's save the program and run the program, and we still have the error, which is, so let's say, not here, we are going to use an if statement here. If image is not none, then this all functions should happen. And after this it is converted, we'll print done. Now let's run the program, and we did not get the message done. So it means this file doesn't exist. So let's give it another file. So actually it was not JPG, it was PNG. So let's convert this JPG into PNG, save the program, and then run the program. And we got done. We got a message called done. It means our file is converted into sketch. So let's check out the file. So it will be in the folder in which your Python file is there. So check for the file. Here is the output, and we have converted an image into sketch. So if you learned anything new in this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. That's it for this video, guys. Meet you in the next video.